The auto self-cleaning litter boxes are simple to use and they automatically recognize when it is used and it can work or complete the cleaning process for you. First of all, you must check the weight and capacity according to the size of your cat and select the specific item in accordance with them. Actually, the automatic litter boxes are not fully satisfied with kittens. They are good for a cat, or you may present a kit to your kitten on her first birthday. In this automated box, there are use sensors, through which it can be noted that when the cat utilizes the litter box and when it goes into the box. These boxes have little sound because of electrical devices when the electric motors start working. It can help you to skip or reduce the demand for manual scooping with the help of automated litter boxes. With a lot of research, tests of labs for setup, and surveyed cat keepers, we collected the most successful or suggested selection of people and 3 best and the various useful automatic litter boxes to purchase. Number 1, PetSafe Ultra Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This is one of the various popular and secure automatic litter boxes nowadays. It makes the work completed without any mess or difficulty. It is a preference between multiple people because, with the help of this box, there is no need for cleaning, refilling the box for many days, and no requirement for scooping. You just want to fix it on the wall where you need it and fix the time to 5 or 10 minutes when it recognizes your cat moving from the box. Number 2, CatGenie A.I Self-Washing Cat Box. These are washable instead of others which are throwaway, are best for your cats. It is more hygienic from your bathroom. It depends upon your choice whether you can select a manual mode or automatic. These washable granules cannot need to change every time. It is a 100% self-cleaning and self-drying box. It is self-sanitizing, hands-free for you. The material used in this box is high quality, long-lasting and safe. It is considered the best litter box for many cats. It also saves your time and money, and it is dust-free. It can be washed and it is clean with the help of veterinarian-approved Sani solution and water. Number 3, Nature's Miracle Multi-Cat Cleaning Litter Box. It is a larger dimension and one of the unique features of a litter box. It has different features such as it has the ability to set its time according to your choice and also when the cat has exited the box. The carbon filters help to control the odor from that box. Its weight is 12.7 pounds and it is automatic, cleaning with every use. It can be used for multiple cats. It also gives a 1-year warranty. The capacity of this box is large, so there is more than one cat that can poop. It is very easy to maintain this box. It is easy to clean and operate. The only con is that in this box that it cannot come with a privacy hood. The links below in the description will get you to the official supplier which has the best price available.